Hey everyone! We're here to talk to you a little bit about your brand new device, the Lenovo 300E 2nd generation. The first thing you're going to want to know how to do is how to charge it. So on the left side of your device, you will find the charging port. Go ahead and plug it in, and plug in the other end into a wall outlet. After charging your computer, make sure to unplug your charger. Do not walk around with the charger plugged in, for the safety of you and your students, and also so you don't damage your charger or damage your device. Once it is fully charged and you're ready to use it, you'll find the on button on the right side. It should remain charged for up to 10 hours, which means you shouldn't have to charge it in the middle of the day. Another thing we love about this device is the pencil touch technology, which means that you could take any number 2 pencil and navigate. If you need even more precision, it comes with an electrostatic pen at the bottom. And this pen will remain charged as long as you put it back where it belongs. Another thing we love about this device is its durability. It's drop resistant, water resistant, has anchored keys, and also rubber bumpers all around to protect it. In order to keep your device up and running with all the updates, please do not turn off your device at the end of the day. Simply log off and close it so that it will receive all the updates needed. If you would like to turn off your computer over the weekend, go ahead, but make sure to turn it back on Monday to receive any necessary updates. If you would like your device hooked up to a printer, go ahead and use the printer's IP address. If that doesn't work for you, put in an iHeat ticket. Last but not least, we love its different modes. So you could use it in laptop mode, you could flip it around and use it in tablet mode, or you could put it on your desk and use it in tent mode. We hope that you found this video useful, and down below you will find some links to great activities that you could do with your new devices. Enjoy!